Take the comparator tube provided, fill the tube with the sample up to the mark. Add 15 drops of pH 1 reagent. Close the cap and mix well. Place the test jar in the comparator slot. Match the color to the color shade to know the value of pH. Hold the comparator vertically against the light at eye level. Now for chlorine 500, fill the test tube with the sample till the mark. Add 3 drops of chlorine Cl1 reagent. Mix well. Place the test jar in the comparator slot. Match the color to the color chart to know the value of chlorine present in the sample. For better understanding of this product, please refer to the impact leaflet provided.